You may be a teenager whose life seems doomed before it has begun.
I'm so ordinary. I don't look good, nor am I funny, nor do I have any special talents. I look more funny than sexy when I pout. Every morning, I seem to have fresh pimples bout. My chest seems to be flattened by a bulldozer into bumps. And my thighs, oh my god, why do they have to look like tree stumps? In conversations, I could never come up with a smart retort. My ability to impress people? God, I don't even know where to start. Boys don't dig me, teachers don't notice me, my parents don't understand me, and my friends? Oh well, I don't have any. My only best friend seems to be my baby fat. It just refuses to leave me. Wait, did I just say boys don't dig me? But hang on, do I want boys to dig me? What if I'm into girls? No, that can't be. What am I saying? Oh, I'm going crazy. How do I clear these cobwebs of confusion? एक जारा हटाती हूँ तो दूसरा आ जाता है. With the white lines, I take the road to oblivion. But for how long and how far? I'm trapped. I'm ensnared. मैं डूब रही हूँ, but I don't know how to get out. Life is such a mess. Life is hopeless. I can't live it anymore. I can't.
Wait. Don't give up. Where there is life, there is hope. You may be a weary man whose journey to reach for the stars plateaued and got done.
My life is a fucking drudgery. Same old, same old. सुबह उठो, ऑफिस जाओ, रास्ते में सारे शहर का धूल अपनी लंग्स में ले जाओ। ऑफिस पहुंचो, बॉस की चापलूसी करो, इम्प्रेशन बनाओ, और कभी कभी तो ऐसा लगे साला इस बार प्रमोशन पक्की। घर जाओ, इन एंटिसिपेशन अपने बच्चों के साथ मसूरी का प्रोग्राम बनाओ, और पता चले साला प्रमोशन तो कोई और चूतिया ले गया। बच्चों की डिसअपॉइंटमेंट को झेलो, उनका मूड बदलने के लिए उन्हें मल्टीप्लेक्स ले जाओ, पर जब वो वहाँ पे आइसक्रीम ऑर्डर करें तो उनकी खुशी ना देख बिल की टेंशन लगाओ। और बीवी जब 30 रुपए की कॉफ़ी 300 रुपए में खरीदे तो गुस्से से आग बबूले हो जाओ। टीवी पर जब मैं सूटेड बूटेड कॉर्पोरेट को देखता हूं तो ऐसा लगता है ये साला मेरी जिंदगी जी रहा है और लाइफ मुझे चूतिया बना रही है। कब तक मैं अपने बच्चों की छोटी छोटी ख्वाहिशों के पुल टूटता देखता रहूंगा? कब तक मैं अपने से डफर दोस्तों को अपने से 100 कदम आगे चलता देखता रहूंगा? मैं क्लास का टॉपर था, मेरी बीवी मिस इंडिया जैसी दिखती थी, लगा था लाइफ सेट है, पर मैं इस लाइफ की रेस में आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पा रहा। मेरी बीवी के चेहरे पर खूबसूरती नहीं बल्कि थकान और मेरी हार झलकती है। मैं थक गया हूं, मैं थक चुका हूं ऐसी जिंदगी से। ये बिल भरो, वो बिल भरो, मां बाप के खर्चे की टेंशन और बच्चों के कॉलेज के दाखिले की टेंशन। ऐसी जिंदगी की मां की हाँ, ये सही है। शायद मेरी इंश्योरेंस के पैसों से सभी मुसीबतों का हल हो जाए।
Wait. That is no solution. Only where there is life, there is hope. You may be a lonely, middle-aged woman whose happiness is just a flashback scene.
I hate going to the park. It depresses me. और इन बच्चों की आवाज़ें मानो मेरे अकेलेपन का मजाक उड़ा रही हूँ। Oh, the medley of the sound which constantly echoed off the walls of this house. वो सास की nagging और वो ससुर का threatening, commanding roar, and my husband always calling out for something or the other. अरे वो फाइल किधर है? अरे कार की चाबियां किधर हैं? और बच्चों की आवाज तो यहाँ पर है। I remember the shouts of triumph when the red mark missed the report card by just a tiny scratch. The groans of disappointment when India lost an almost won cricket match. The shy giggles while slyly watching Salman's six-pack abs. And the sigh of longing when watching Kareena's famous poo act. The hushed whispers which told me the Mother's Day party was being proposed. And the sniffs of drama and accusing eyes told me the scolding was undeserved. I suppose. The slurps of contentment when Maggie Midnight Feast was being planned. And the hum of Beyonce's song when a new recipe was being cooked in the pan. Sounds, sounds, sounds. The wheeling, the weeping, the bawling when the mood barometer dipped down. The chuckling, the cackling, the hurraying when happiness made my children kings and queens with a crown. My life was a rhythm of joy, and these ghungroos, they were a bliss to my soul. And now, they peel, they jar, they shriek, and creates holes. बस ये भी गए, सब कुछ खत्म. Now it is just the sound of silence and nothing more. If this silence is to be my companion, I don't want to live this life anymore. No, I don't want to live this life anymore.
Wait. Things will surely look up. For where there is life, there is hope. You may be a superstar whose life is dulled by starry, glitzy sheen. Open your heart to new beginnings, and the universe will show you signs in its infinite scope. The dry, wrinkled parchment of the long, thirsty summer moistens with the ink of the monsoon elixir. The harsh blackness that blinds the long, dark night brightens into the gentleness of colors of the morning light. The cacophony of death from a burning volcano crescendos into the melodious note of newly ordained creation. The hard, lifeless, and unforgiving rock. Underneath, it harbors the gentlest myriads of life. Where there is life, there is hope. अभी थोड़ा और जी ले तू, अभी तो सारा जहां बाकी. Where there is life,
देयर इज होप। अभी थोड़ा और जी ले तू, अभी तो सारा जहां बाकी।